Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create a Facebook page, a simple Facebook page for your business or for even your image, okay? So as you can see, like for those of you who have watched my previous video, I showed you how you can be able to create a YouTube channel for yourself or for your business. You can this video is also purposely for what how you can be able to create a Facebook page. Okay, now this channel goes beyond just web designing. As a web designer, you need a page to showcase your whatever you do on your website. So as you can see over here, this is my Facebook page over here, SkyTech Digital over here. Okay, so if I click to go inside, it will show you the page itself, how I started building this page from scratch. Okay, let me just close this one, and then as you can see, okay, this is my page. I have like 3.8 likes and 3.8 followers. Okay, so everything that I do on my YouTube, I try as much as possible to post it on my on my Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this kind of Facebook page. Okay, now let me go to home and then we'll start from there. So to create a Facebook page, you need to be a Facebook user. Okay, you cannot create a Facebook page without being a Facebook user. Okay, so log on, make sure that you create a Facebook account, log on to your Facebook account. Okay, so now that you've logged on to your Facebook account, all what you need to do is to click on this menu 9 dots over here, this one over here. Just click on it. Okay, and when you click on it over here, you see that we have the menu over here, and then over here you can search menu, and then this one which says create. Okay, so scroll down and then you're gonna see page over here. Just click on it to create the page. Okay, so as you can see, you be redirected to this page over here. Now on your left side, you're gonna write the page details over here, and then on the right side, it's gonna have you the preview of the page, either in the desktop mode or on the phone or mobile phone or mobile mode. Okay, so you're gonna see all those things. So we're gonna give our page a name. Now it is a required option, that is why it says required. Okay, category is also required. So we're gonna give our page a name, and we're gonna call the page TechUp Hosting. Okay, so as you can see, this is the page name. Now we're going to choose category. Now the page name, make sure that it is tick as green. Now if it says the page does not it has been taken already, you cannot use it. Okay, it means that you need to change your page name. So the category, you need to try to search for the category. Now start typing. At the moment you start typing, you see some simple or some few other categories over there that you choose. Okay, so we're just going to choose internet marketing service, web design, and then internet company. Okay, so these are some of the things categories that we choose, and then this one is optional. Okay, so what you do, you can write it over here. That really is good, because it shows people what exactly that this page is about. Okay, so you can write exactly what you do over here. Okay, so we provide domain names and web hosting services to clients all over the world. Okay, so we provide domain names and web hosting services to clients all over the world. So now that we're done with the biography or the bio, we've done the category, we've done our page name, we are good to go to start clicking over here to create our page. So as you can see, this is how it's going to be like. Okay, and if you want to view it in the mobile preview, you can see how it's going to be like. Okay, so that is exactly how it's going to be. So all what we need to do is to click on create page, and then it will create our page for us. So now our page has been created. Okay, so we need to just fill in some few details over here. So our website, our phone number, our email, our address, all those things we need to fill it. So the website, we're gonna say techuphosting.com. Okay, that is our website over here. our phone number, we type in our phone number over here. So we're gonna write our phone number over here. Okay, so we write in our phone number over here. So this is our phone number. Our email address, to write it, our email address, to we're gonna write it over here. Our location, so we're gonna write our location over here. So make sure that you write your location, and then your zip code also. You type in your zip code, and then the hours. Let people know your location hours. Okay, so you can say always open. Okay, it depends on you. So I'm going to use always open, and then again. Yeah, so now that we are done, we just click on next. Okay, so we're going to go next. Okay, now we have to customize our page. Okay, so how do we customize our page? It's also very simple. You add your profile picture. So this is the profile picture, and then you add your cover photo. This is your this place shows your cover photo, just like your Facebook account. Okay, so we're gonna add a profile picture over there. So I'm gonna search where my profile picture will be. So what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use this square logo over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is my profile picture, and then my cover photo. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use a cover photo that I created using Canva. Okay, so I can use this one, or I can go to downloads and then search for the one that I created. Now for those of you who don't know Canva, let me just cancel it, and then I'll show you it. Now this is Canva. Okay, now Canva helps you to be able to create flyers, logos, anything that you want to, even videos. Okay, so if you need Facebook covers, YouTube banner images and all those things, all what you need to do is come to canva.com over here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to just write your search for the thing that you are searching for. So just log in it, register is free. You use everything over here for free. Okay, and that is the most amazing thing. Okay, so that is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for for my background logo and my background cover photo over here. So I'll click on add cover photo over here, and then I'm going to search for it. So I could decide to use this one as my cover photo. Okay, or use anything else, but I have a cover photo prepared for it, so I'm going to look for that cover photo, and then I'll use it as my cover photo. Okay guys, so I'm going to use this one over here. Okay, this one over here. Now I'm going to click on open over here, and then wait for it to load for me. So as you can see, this is my cover photo over here. Okay, so this is just an something I just created. Okay, it's not any big deal, anything. Okay, it doesn't matter even my how do you call it, the page that I'm creating. I just want to show you that you can use Canva to create a page. Okay, so as you can see over here, I used Canva to do everything. So I can decide to change this one. Instead of digital marketing agency, I can change it to domain and web hosting company. Okay, so I can say domain, and now come here, web hosting company. Okay, so just as simple as that. Okay, so or I could just say domain and web hosting, but I want to add the company to it. Okay, so as simple as that. And then you can write anything that you want to write. Maybe anything that you want to write, you can write. So maybe buy cheap domain and web hosting services with us. Okay, so that's simple thing over here. And then now, if I am done with it, all what I need to do is to click on this share button over here, and then what I need to do is just click on download over here. It's gonna download everything for me. So I'm gonna click on this download over here. Okay, and then it will what, it will generate the thing and then what, download for me. So as you can see, it is what, it is downloading for me. Okay, so now I can decide to use this one as my what, my cover photo. So if I go over here and then I delete this one over here, I can click this one on top of it. I can just click here and then what, upload a new what, cover photo. Okay, so I can use this one over here and then click on open over here. That is the new one that I'm using. So as you can see, domain and web hosting what company. Okay, so buy cheap and blah 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 with us. Okay, so if I go to the mobile view, this is how it's going to be like. Okay, so if I go to desktop view, this is how it's going to what, be like. So guys, that is how you can be able to add your what, your cover photo. Now let's go to the next one. After adding your cover photo, click on next, and then over here what you need to do is what, to build your what, your audience. Okay, so how do you build your audience? You invite what, people to join your what, or to like or follow your what, your page. Okay, and that is what, and that is it. So you click on what, invite over here, and then you can what, invite as many people that you want to grow and then to help you what, build your what, your page, follow your page, so that you can be able to what, go ahead. Okay, this says something is not working. Let me just click this one again. If it doesn't work, I can skip it. Okay, I can go to next, so it still doesn't matter. But that is what you are supposed to do. Invite people to like your page, and then they'll what, you're gonna build your what, your audience from there. So something went through a technical because error, we are working to fix it. So maybe it's not my fault, so I can just decide to go send invite later on. Okay, so you can what, click next to send invite what, later on, and that is it. Now stay informed about your page. Okay, so they're going to give you notifications and other stuff about your what, your page, and that is it. So now we can click what, done over here, and our page is what's fully created and what, and customized for us. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is what, this is our page over here. Okay, this is our page. Now you can what, you can decide to what, write anything on your mind. Okay, and then you can also decide to what, share your page with what, your friends. Okay, so you can use all these professional tools which you are not going to get on your what, your normal Facebook what, account. Okay, now how do you switch between your page and then other what, your main what, account? How do you switch between it? It's also very simple. Now you see this button over here which have your logo on it. Okay, just click on it over here, and now as you can see, you see this arrow which says what, switch to what, my main name over here. Okay, so I can just decide to what, click to what, to switch. So if I click over here, it's going to what, switch to what, my YouTube account, my Facebook what, account for me. So as you can see, this is what, my Facebook what, account over here. Okay, so I can go to what, the home of what, Facebook, and then it will be a normal what, Facebook website for me. So that is what, that is how you can be able to what, create your Facebook page and then switch between your main account and then your Facebook page. Now as you can see, if you look over here, you have all the shortcuts over here. So all the pages that you've been going, you can see it over here. Okay, and then also when we click over here, the account over here, we can still what, switch between. Okay, so I can click over here and then it will take me to my what, my main, my profile page of what, my account over here. Or let me go back over here and then show you something that you can do. Now guys, because I have a lot of pages on Facebook over here, now if I click over here and I want to switch, it will switch to what, a different what, account for me. Okay, but I can click over here to see all what, profiles. Okay, so as you can see, I can see all the profiles that I have on what, on Facebook. So now I'm going to go back to what, the Facebook page that we created. Okay, so all what I need to do is what, to click over here, and then it's going to switch back to what, that particular what, Facebook page. Okay, so as you can see, it is switching back to what, that particular Facebook what, page for me. Okay guys, so this is what, my Facebook page over here. Okay, so now that I am in this particular what, Facebook page, now what I can do is what? Now the next step we want to do is to change our what? Our Facebook name. Okay, so our URL, how do we change it? So if you go to our Facebook over here, you realize that the URL for the profile gives us what? This particular what? URL, which says what? web.facebook.com slash what? profile dot php, blah blah blah, a whole lot of things over here. Now we want to what? Change our what? This URL and make it what? A unique URL that we can send to what? To somebody. Okay, so it is also very simple. What we need to do is what? Just click on this account over here, and then now that you click the account over here, go to what? Settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now click on what? Settings over here. Okay, so now that we are over here, now we can change our what? We can change our name, and then we can set a username for what? Our Facebook what? Page. Okay, so we're going to set a username. That is the most important thing that we want to do. So we want to click over here, and then we give our what? Our Facebook what? Username. So what username are we going to give? We're going to say TechUp Hosting, the same as what? Our name. Okay, so as you can see, the name is what? Available, and then I can click on what? Save changes. Now I have to enter my what? Re-enter my password. I can enter the password and then click on submit to what? To save the what? The change. Okay guys, as you can see, now our name has been what? Changed over here, and everything will work perfectly well. So let's go back to our home over here, and then let's click on our page and see. Now as you can see, now our page doesn't have what? There's those random numbers or random characters again. Now it's having what? A custom URL over here which says what? web.facebook.com slash TechUp Hosting. Okay, so guys, this is how you can be able to what? Create a Facebook page, change your Facebook URL, and then start what? Posting on your what? On your Facebook page. Okay, so you can post anything that you want to what? You want to post on it. So as you can see, we can write whatever it is on our mind. We can share our what? Our products and other stuff that we want to what? Share with our what? Our client, and then we can also promote our page, or we can also what? Send this link for people to what? Like, and then what? And then comment. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and let this channel grow to become a bigger channel. Okay, so that is the only thing. It is free. You don't need to pay for anything. It is free. That is the only thing you use to support this channel. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.